Pakistan are 1 for none.
Big hit, this might be out. It's high, they're getting underneath the cape. He's got it, big wicket. Afridi's gone. I believe he's gone for a big one. Big outside edge, and he can't believe he's thrown it high up in the air. It's gone forever. The thing's got cheese on it, and he's taken it easily. Another big wicket there for India. Shahid Afridi's gone for 19, and now Pakistan 39 for 2.
That could be out. It is. Again, the batsman looking to
adjusted the length nicely there by RP Singh. Was the pace of the bat bit too early, leading edge. No problem there for a mid-on fielder. Irfan Pathan there, 34. Pakistan 75 for 3.
excellent delivery. And he gets another. Kept going instead of swinging back in.
That one didn't really come back. The last couple of deliveries just came back a little bit. This one just went through with the arm. And India on a roll. Muhammad Yusuf could only finish his 7,000 here. One gone for 1, 82 for 4.
There you go. Finally, we've got a boundary. Pakistan, the skipper, starts to throw.
He's too good a player.
It's taken and gone. Inzamam-ul-Haq will walk. It's Sachin Tendulkar who's given India a lot of boost with that.
Well, the golden arm finger there, Inzamam-ul-Haq looking to guide that to the third man. Once again, a little fumble there, but taken. Inzamam-ul-Haq gone for 16, 128 for 5.
50 for Shoaib Malik. His third of the series. He's emerged as a leading scorer for Pakistan.
Whenever he's been asked to bat, he kept his nerve cool. There's 73 deliveries.
Edge and gone. Dhoni takes a neat catch. It's Yunus Khan who up early by India.
Little bit of an extra kick from the pitch. He banged that one in. It was 58 for 6. Yunus Khan gone for 16.
That's gone. Picked it up very well. Slower delivery. But he saw it.
Slow delivery, which was
Beautiful shot, that'll be it. That'll be his 100.
What a shot. Whole crowd on their feet. Well-deserved 100. What is 100? Well played, Shoaib Malik.
Boundary is safe. There they are. It's in here. Should be caught. And it is. Skipper takes the catch. Rahul Dravid. Shoaib Malik's out. Pakistan have lost their 6th wicket.
Another beautifully Irfan Pathan. Checked him. Giving himself room. Looking to hit for a big one. Looking for a 6 there. And easy kick. Got the first 100 in this series. 108. Gone. 244 for 7.
Oh, what about hit it over there for a big one? Yes, it is. That's the 6er. It's hit the...
Well, you have no power.
Oh, he's dodged a bullet there, Pathan. Just slowed it up, bowled it outside of... There it is again. Going. Goal.
Well, if you think this is going to stay in, you're joking. You're kidding me.
And they're running. They had to run. And he had to run. I don't know why he was staying. Singh throws the stumps down from side on. Great.
I think Pakistan will mind that. But what a great piece of fielding there. Look at that. One stump to aim and bang. Goes for 7. Pakistan 277 for 8.
Going. Gee, I thought he got all of it. It was only half. Played beautifully there.
Got to say, in the end, it was quite a recovery by the Pakistanis.
oh, bowling round his legs. Mohammad Asif gets just reward for getting it right.
Mohammad Asif has this fantastic ability of picking up wickets early. And Gautam Gambhir again getting a little too across on his front leg, just clipping the thigh pad and going on to be 1 for 2. India 12 for 1.
quick one now. Is that taken? Is that taken? Yes, it has. What a delivery.
Can't blame Pathan. It was too good a delivery. It was thinking. Surprised the batsman with the short delivery. The batsman couldn't get out of the way. Pathan was the man. We stayed him. India 12 for 2.
With and for.
Down to third man, over his head. I think.
And cop that. Don't drop me or I'll belt you. Again, runs it down. And that'll be his 72nd one day in a...
Tremendous. Under the circumstances, Sachin Tendulkar has had a little bit of luck though. And 72nd, is it? So
He plays so much cricket, don't I? I can remember him as a... Another single chance for a run out. Nicky Henry's him on. He'll throw it umpire. Umar Gul. He's worked it to the leg side, and again he's thrown down the stumps. Let's have a look. He has. Is he?
84 for 3.
Again, a punchy drive. Well, nobody moved. Wow, that... He's played it fine, Sachin Tendulkar. I think it probably brushed the gloves of the keeper as well, but...
This man is batting so well. He's timing his strokes so well. Not the best of shots, but he'll get 4 for it. And here are Shiva.
And a great 50 it is. Thank you, Mikey. It's been the timing. Out. 95. They've got another wicket. This game's not over. Razak picks up the...
95. Takes the long walk back. He'll be a disappointed man. It's 189 for 4.
Huge shout. Huge shout. And given. They're in the game now, Pakistan. Umar Gul strikes
Good job, the umpire. Kev gone for 0. India 190 for 5.
That's up in the air. That's clear in Zamamul Haq with a lot of ease. On the bounce himself from playing his natural game. Well, that's gone through. Yasir Arafat feeling. Oh, that's crashed. That ball will whistle away for a 4. Is ruling the roost. Distance. But that ball was travelling. Shot one. It's been put away for another 4. Dhoni's gone to 50 with a big broad smile on his face. Port Azair, what a knock. Well, the good thing about it, shot one's been dealt with severely once again through square leg. Executive 4s. In the gap and 4. Nothing can stop Mahendra Singh.
Thinking about it. Not quite, but he will get 4. He's got hold of it, Dhoni, and that's it. It's all over. Ends it with a full chase in a row.
Well, another command performance by India. Right from the toss, India, apart from those drop catches, have really, when they started with Mohammad Asif and Umar Gul, but it really just took it away. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni, well, he can smile, as he should.
Fantastic partnership between the two gentlemen, Yuvraj Singh and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. As I said, take absolutely nothing away at the latter stages of this inning, but he knew what was required of him. He knew with Dhoni batting, they brought it home with overs to spare. They now lead the series 2-1 India.
Has to be one of the most impressive wins for India in recent time. Tendulkar 55, but he made sure India was in the hunt, and that was